There is a lot of discussion about the Pi network going live. Many pioneers have been waiting for the Pi network to go live since maybe June has been ongoing. The core team has ordered all pioneers to be aware of the top 10 goals for Pi network before the Open Mainnet's launch so that they can be accomplished. Since its launch, a cutting-edge blockchain project that aims to establish a decentralized digital currency has drawn a lot of interest. Millions of users worldwide have been drawn to the Pi network by its distinctive mining technique and emphasis on user-friendly accessibility. This list needs to be made obvious and unambiguous to assist users in selecting the top 10 Pi network tools as the project prepares for its eagerly awaited Open Mainnet launch. The network will be able to expand and ensure a smooth transition to the main phase by offering these services. So, before the Pi network Open Mainnet launches, we'll go through everything the core team needs us to be aware of in today's video. Simply click the subscribe button and reply Pi network to the moon with the rocket emoji before we continue. Guys, let's continue. Security infrastructure comes first. The establishment of a strong security infrastructure is essential before the Pi network transitions to the mainnet. By placing a strong emphasis on security measures like secure wallet integration, encryption protocols, and sophisticated identity verification systems, user assets may be protected and network trust can rise. Solutions for scalability are the second. The user base of the Pi network has been growing exponentially. Effective scaling solutions must be created to meet this growing demand. The Pi network will be able to manage a high number of transactions without experiencing performance deterioration if Shardon and another Layer 2 solutions are given top priority. Blockchain technology and dApps are third in line. By combining smart contracts and decentralized apps, or dApps, the Pi network will be able to take advantage of several opportunities. Programmers would be able to create creative dApps, enhancing the network's environment and attracting new users. With the construction of a strong and user-friendly smart contract platform. The fourth one will be the governance framework. A transparent governance system must be established for the Pi network to be viable over time. The network's survival will be ensured by placing a strong priority on the creation of a decentralized governance framework that enables token holders to participate in decision-making processes. The fifth factor is chain-wide interoperability. To promote increased acceptance and interaction with other blockchain networks, cross-chain interoperability must be given priority. The use of basic protocols will increase the network's usefulness. User experience is improved through asset exchange and communication blockchains, such as the 6th-ranked Pi network. A satisfying user experience is essential for luring in new customers and keeping existing ones. A seamless and satisfying experience will be produced by giving priority to user interface enhancements, mobile app optimization, and intuitive features. Making it simpler for Pi network users to interact with the platform frequently, decentralized exchanges come in at number 7. The inclusion of decentralized exchanges will give Pi network users access to a secure ecosystem. Trading on DEX is a good way for traders to prioritize their assets. The creation and use of DEX will increase liquidity and provide users with more control over their money management. Tools for community engagement are the 8th item. If a blockchain project is to be successful, it must have a strong community. Pi network members will collaborate, share expertise, and take an active position in the community if community engagement tools like forums, social platforms, and incentive-based programs are prioritized. Support and documentation for developers are number 9 on the list. The Pi network platform must be made available to developers for them to build on it. It will stimulate innovation and draw qualified developers to create new applications and services if thorough developer documentation, developer grants, and support channels are prioritized. Respect for the law will be the final factor. As blockchain technology advances by emphasizing legal and regulatory frameworks, compliance with regulations becomes more crucial. Following anti-money laundering, AML, and Know Your Customer (KYC) requirements, as well as collaborating with regulatory authorities, the Pi network will be in a better position to abide by international regulations and win universal support. The development of an open governance structure is essential for the long-term viability of the Pi network. The network's survival will be ensured by placing a strong priority on the creation of a decentralized governance framework that enables token holders to participate in decision-making processes. Adhering to anti-money laundering (AML) and Know Your Customer KYC requirements as well as collaborating with regulatory agencies. The Pi network will be in a better position to abide by international regulations and win universal support. Promote the use of the Pi cryptocurrency and make sure that all users may access and use the applications. More than 360 qualified project applications and 200 post-deadline contributions were submitted to the platform by entrepreneurs throughout the world. Intriguing use cases for social networking apps, financial apps, marketplace apps, gaming, news apps, ecosystem apps, and many more were covered in the hackathon submissions. Additionally, the platform enhanced the Brainstorm app to make it simpler for developers and innovators to look into various concepts and collaborate with others who have similar interests to create original apps. The decentralized review, validation, and rating of programs is another option open to pioneers. Pi Network has now made the Pi open source PIO software license available to enable Pi community developers to provide open source tools and applications for the Pi ecosystem and promote cooperation between Pi community developers inside the Pi ecosystem. To experiment and advance their work, Pi developers now have access to programming libraries with content and editable code templates that are licensed under the PIOS. The program may only be used without restriction within the Pi ecosystem, according to the PIOS license. The Q1 2023 report from Pi Network shows considerable advancements toward the open mainnet, with an emphasis on expanding the Pi ecosystem and producing helpful services for Bitcoin. The Pi Network platform's successful efforts to increase app development tools, app creation, and development incentives through a variety of programs are anticipated to increase the coin's utility. We have completed the video for today with all of this. Press the subscribe and notification bell to support our channel. Please come back for our next video. Thank you.